Isa itong Imukay Island sa bayan ng Balawan sa mga lugar na dapat mong puntahan kapag nasa La Union ka. Bukod sa less crowded ay super crystal clear pa ng dagat. Entrance fee dito ay 50 pesos for adults and 30 pesos for students and senior citizens. Open din pala ito from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Cottages here are free pero you can also pay any amount for donation. Marami din mga food stalls dito in case na magutom kayo and meron din mga CR dito na pwede kayo mag-shower for 10 pesos. This is a perfect place to relax and chill pero make sure to wear sunblock kasi hindi nakaka-relax and chill yung init dito kapag tanghaling tapat at matutusta ka talaga ng malala dito. Maganda pumunta dito kung high tide para pwede sumakay ng balsa at makapag-island tour for 250 pesos per hour, good for 4 to 7 packs. Malilibot yun na itong 3 lagoons which are around 8 to 12 feet deep. Make sure to wear proper footwear since the lagoons are surrounded by these beautifully jagged rocks and mangroves. If you have more time and budget, you can also do sea farming, crystal kayaking, snorkeling, and lagoon diving. For inquiries, i-text nyo na lang po itong number na ito. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe for more travel videos. Bye-bye!